Hey there everybody, my name is Rachel and today I'm going to be talking to you about Bookish bags. What are Bookish bags? Well, at our library, at Mobile Public Library, we in the Teen Services Department put together bags with books. It takes the stress off of trying to choose a book from the library. Seriously, sometimes you walk in there and it is just so hard to decide which book you want to take home. So guess what? We do it for you. And it's just like getting a surprise every month. So what you do is submit a request through the Mobile Public Library website. The next month, we put together a Bookish bag for you. All you do is pick it up and it's like a surprise book. They come with different things like bookmarks and buttons and 3D printed items. It's just a really fun time. So if you are interested in learning about how to submit a request, go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going to show you how it's done. Alrighty, we're going to jump right on in. We are going to pull up the Mobile Public Library website. Once you get that pulled up, over at the top, the teen section, go right on down to the Bookish Bags link and click that and it will take you to the Bookish Bags page. Once you get there, scroll down a little bit and you're going to see the requirements that it takes to get a Bookish bag. You do have to have a library card, need to have it in by the 15th of the month for the next month. But if you don't have a library card, just click that link. I right click and open it in a new tab, and that's going to save my place on this page. And just click on over to that other tab. Now, what this is going to do is once you submit the application, going to fill out all of the required spots, and you can click submit, and that's going to send it to a library staff member who will get you set up on a card. They will email you some information. They may need to call you to verify some things. That is why a phone number is required. Once you get down to the bottom of the application for a library card, you can even request a copy of your application if you'd like. There is a little space at the bottom, that little notch, you can turn that on and it will give you the option for them to send you a copy of what you submitted. And once you submit your library card application, it may take a couple of days for the library staff to get back to you. But if you already have a library card, or once you get your card information, at the Bookish page, scroll on down, go ahead and fill out name, gonna fill out age, gonna fill out email. And then you are also going to decide what library branch you are going to pick it up. Like if you're at the Sims branch, I normally pick it up at the Ben May Main Library branch downtown. And you will need the library card number. Going to go ahead and enter that information. Now, once you do that, you get to the fun part. The fun part is choosing your genres. If you want a new genre each time, you can click one and the librarian will choose one from that genre. If you don't know which genre you want, then you can click them all and they will select a book for you. Now, they may follow up with questions on like what authors you've read and have liked before, so they kind of get an idea of what style you like. But yeah, in the comments you can make suggestions, you can let them know which ones you've liked so far, and you also going to drop down that little, and it's 1, 2, or 3 books. If you're a fast reader, click select, and that is going to be your Bookish bag application. Someone will get back to you and we will let you know when your Bookish bag is ready to be picked up. It'll be in the beginning of the next month. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bookish bags are a really fun way to read new books, find new authors, spread your wings as a book reader. Have a great one.